Hi and welcome. I'm Jackie, and this is an evening bedtime short yoga class to help you decompress from your day and prepare you for a good night's sleep. For today, you can grab a folded blanket or a couple folded towels will do, or a bolster if you have one, and a block. And if you don't have props, you can absolutely still practice this class. You can come to child's pose to begin, balasana. So bring your hands to the mat, bring your knees wide, and lower your hips down towards your heels. They can hover above your heels. You can bring them to your heels, or you can place a bolster or a blanket right on top of your heels to give you a little bit of cushion there. Bow your head down, widen your arms, and rest into the posture. Get as comfortable as you can here. Notice what you feel in your physical body. And notice your thoughts, where they are, if they're anywhere other than here. Invite yourself into the moment as much as you can. Try to let go of all that's unfinished as you come deeper and deeper into this moment. And bring your awareness to your breath right here, right now. Observe it as it flows in and out. Notice its rhythm and its pace. And stretch each inhale out a little. And complete each exhale. It's the exhales that will bring you into the more calming side of your nervous system. Help you release tension. Slowly from where you are, make your way forward onto your stomach with your legs stretched out behind you so you can move any props aside. You can bring your hands right next to your chest. Fingers spread wide, palms down. Separate your feet about hip-width distance apart. Cobra pose, draw your shoulders back and lift your chest up. Try to keep your head in line with your spine so that your neck is long, and notice what you feel. Breathe in here. Exhale, release, lower your chest down, and then press yourself up to tabletop position, all fours. You're welcome to pad your knees with a blanket if you want or need. Cat-cow breath. Tilt your tailbone, lift your chest, and look up. As you exhale, you can tuck your tailbone around your spine, draw your chin slightly in. Let your head and neck relax, and then inhale, slowly lift, lengthen, look up for cow. And exhale as you tuck, round and curl in. Again. Inhale, lift, take your time. And then exhale, tuck, round, and curl. And come to a neutral spine. Straighten your left leg behind you, and cross it behind your right. So you take your foot outside your mat to the right, and then lean your upper body towards the right. Release. Place your left foot right behind your right toes for a supported side plank. You can walk your right toes back for more support. Reach your left arm straight up and then reach it over your head towards the top of your mat. Take a big breath in here as you stretch. Exhale, release, come back down to tabletop position. Straighten your right leg behind you, cross it behind your left, and then lean your upper body towards the left. Notice what you feel on the right side of your body. Ease into each stretch today. Release. Place your right foot behind your left toes, and you can walk your left toes behind you. For more stability, reach right arm up. And then reach right arm over your head, and as you reach your right fingertips forward, press your right foot into the mat. Stay tuned into breath and sensation. Breathe in here. Breathe out, tabletop position. Downward facing dog. Curl your toes, lift your hips up and back. And if down dog is not for you this evening, you can come to puppy dog instead by bringing hips on top of knees and bowing your head down as you reach your arms forward. If you're in down dog, send your heels towards the mat and try to relax your head and your neck so you let go of tension as you hold. Take a big breath in. Exhale, let it out, and then walk forward. Come to the top of your mat into a forward bend. Bow down over your legs and stretch the back side of your body out. You can bend your knees as much as you want or need. You can take your hands to the floor, your shins, or a block. Relax your head and your neck. Feel free to sway from side to side or do what feels good. And if your mind wanders, which is very common, try to draw yourself back into the body by focusing your awareness on sensation and breath as it moves in and out of your body. You can stay here in this forward fold or reach your hands back behind you and interlace your fingers as you stretch your shoulders. And slowly release. Come back to downward facing dog or your puppy dog pose. And take a deep breath in here. Exhale, let it out, let it go. And come down to a seated position on your mat. You can sit cross-legged or you can bring bottoms of feet together. Whatever feels better for you. You're welcome to sit on a blanket as well if you want to elevate your hips. Take your left hand and bring it behind your back and flip your hand so the back of your hand comes to your low back and your palm faces out. Bring your right ear towards your right shoulder to stretch your neck. You can close your eyes here or gaze at one spot. Feel free to move your chin around a little until you find that place that feels just right for you. Release, switch sides. Right hand behind your back, right palm faces out. Take your left ear towards your left shoulder. Move your chin around a little. Find the place that feels good in your body in this moment. Release. Take your left hand behind you. Bring your right hand to your left thigh or knee. Sit tall and twist as you look over your left shoulder. Try to relax your arms. Bend at your elbows. Relax your shoulders as you twist. Release. Come to center, other side. Left hand to right knee. Right hand can come behind you. Relax your shoulders. Sit tall. You can look right or over your right shoulder as you twist. Release. Come to center. You can either leave your legs crossed or you can bring the bottoms of your feet together. Lengthen as you inhale. As you exhale, hinge at your hips and fold over your legs to stretch the back side of your body out. Melt in here for a few more moments. And release. Come all the way up. You can move your props aside and come onto your back. Once you're on your back, pull your knees in towards your chest. And now figure 4. Take your right ankle in front of your left knee. You can either leave your left foot on the floor or you can draw your left knee into your chest and grab a hold of it. You can hold underneath your knee or you can hold on top of your knee. Notice what you feel in your hips. Relax your head down. Try to soften as much as you can, even in your grip if you're holding your knee. Figure 4 twist. So you can keep your legs in this position, but release any grip that you have on your legs. And then take the lower half of your body over towards your left. So you twist until your right foot comes to or towards the floor. And then you can, if you want, take your left hand and hold your left shin or knee, or you can let your arms rest any way that feels comfortable. Right arm can come to your right. If this twist doesn't feel good on your knees or hips, you can instead take your knees side by side in your spine twist. Release. Come back to center. Figure 4 on the other side. Left ankle in front of your right knee. And then you can draw your right knee in towards your chest. Or you could keep your right foot on the floor, whatever is more comfortable for your hips. Try not to force anything on your body. Rest here and feel. And figure 4 twist. You can keep your body in this position, the lower half, and then guide your legs over to your right until your left foot comes to the floor. Or instead, take your knees side by side for your spine twist. Left arm can come left. You can do anything you want with your right hand. You can also hold on to your left shin. Melt in here and let this posture help you release physical tension in your body. Release. Draw both knees into your chest. Give yourself a squeeze. Knees can be together or apart. Stay here or bring your head up to your knees so you curl into a little ball, a little seed. And breathe in here. And then exhale, Shavasana. Extend your legs out in front of you. Bring your arms by your sides. Palms up. Close your eyes. And let yourself come into rest. Intentional rest. Give yourself permission to take rest. Notice if you're holding anywhere in your body or tensing up. Bring awareness to face and jaw. Try to let go there. Relax the muscles in your forehead. And all the way down your body, through your legs and into your feet. Let your entire body rest here. Begin to deepen your breath. Roll to one side and bring your hands to the mat and press yourself up to a comfortable seat. Bring your hands together in front of your heart. Take a deep breath in here. Exhale as you bow your head in towards your heart. And thank you so much for joining me. I hope that this class helped you find some ease and relaxation. If you're looking for longer classes, you can check out the links in the description below. Good night and have a wonderful evening.